Welcome to Shift Films. Today I'm going to install my battery tie down from Grimmspeed. It's only about a $40 part. Super simple, super easy. It's going to be a short video. All the tools that you're going to need is just your sockets and your socket wrench along with your...
Yeah, that's that dirty. That's that dirty. That girl all up in my face.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Alright, so these are Grimmspeed battery tie downs. Mine was packaged by Mr. Bobby. Bobby gave me 2. Thank you, Bobby. Yeah. Alright, 10mm socket and my 3/8 drive ratchet. Pretty self-explanatory. First thing, go ahead and take your battery terminals off. Super simple, super quick, and super easy. Bruh. My battery terminal is a little janky, but it's because my bolt snapped, but I mean it works.
Whoa. You broke it. Whoa. What?
You don't need to take off your terminals. I do it for safety reasons, especially since one time I was working up here and the ratchet was sitting here and it fell over and it hit both terminals and it was like a firework. It was everywhere. It was like sparks everywhere. So super easy, just take off your bolts right here. You're gonna use the same hardware, so don't throw out your hardware. It doesn't come with hardware. See you later, Stinky. I know it's nasty. Can you stop zooming in on my battery? I know it's gross. I'm cleaning it.
Look, it's clean.
Finally, inner peace.
So I didn't take this, or I took the string off. One, it's kind of in the way of the new battery tie down, and 2, you can't put it over. So I would like to be able to see that. I just took it off. I'm gonna have it in my car so I can take the battery out whenever I need to with these. Oh, I got hit in the head. That hurt.
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like... Hey, this man just... I don't want to do this no more.
Alright, so that's all it takes. Super easy, super simple, super quick. We're gonna try to head inside. It's getting really dark, really cold, and I just got hit in the head with the roof, or hood. So I want to get inside. So I'm gonna clean up. That's it. It looks great. I'm super stoked the way it turned out. Simple, yet a really nice part. So thanks, Bobby, for packaging 2 of them for me. Appreciate you. And see you next time.